Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing, grade 1? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Welcome to your numeracy class. And in today's class, we will be discussing a new topic that is missing numbers. Okay. So we have discussed this topic before as well in your starting classes, in your starting classes of this session. But in that, we did it by using the number line, right? Remember, how many of you remember that some numbers were missing and we draw a number line for that, and then from the number line we find those missing numbers, right? Now in today's class we will not be using a number line, but we will be using a math table for that, and then we will find the missing numbers from that table. Okay, so like how many of you knows about multiplication table? No, okay, it's fine. So I'll be showing you a table, okay, and then you will find the numbers from that, a number square basically, right? Okay. So let's revise that how we find the missing numbers by using the number line. So it was that, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We draw a number line, then the numbers were written as like this, right? And we use the number line to find that. Let's say what comes after 1, it's 2. We find it from the number line, and then we write number 2 over there. What comes after 3, two spaces are there, so numbers are 4 and 5. We write 4 and 5 there. Then what comes after 6? From the number line we found out that this is 7, and then finally what comes after 8? The two numbers are 9 and 10, right? So we already practiced it, that how we can find missing numbers from the number line. Now what does missing number means? Basically that you are supposed to find the number which is not there, which is missing, right? Now missing means that it is not written for you, right? Or you are supposed to guess what comes over there. Now let's watch an interesting video related to that, which will help you that how we can find the missing numbers, and then we will do a practice exercise for that. Okay. Okay, is my screen visible? Okay, great. So you have seen that for you different pictures are shown to you. Let's say consider this one picture. Some numbers are written randomly. They are not written in a proper manner, and the number is missing from them, right? You are supposed to guess what is. So you will start from the lowest number, that is 1, and then you will move forward, and from that you will guess what the highest number, what the missing number is, and the missing number in this case is number 5, right? So this number was missing. This means that in the order, although the numbers were written in randomly, they were written randomly, but still a number was missing from them. And what was the number? It was number 5. So similarly, in this case only one number was missing, but the exercise, the practice that we will be doing in your book and the other worksheets, not only one but a lot of numbers are missing, and you are supposed to find what those missing numbers are. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen again with you. Let's first solve this. Okay, consider this picture. Is my screen visible? Okay, great. These are some beautiful autumn leaves which are drawn for you, and some of the numbers are missing within these numbers which are already written, and you are supposed to guess what number will come in between or after any number. Okay, so let's start from 16. What comes in between 16 and 18? Who is going to tell me? Number 17. Very well done. What comes after 19? 20. Great. Then 21, right? And then this number line has been ended. Now come to the next line. In the next row, the numbers are written in descending order, right? That they are starting from the highest number and then they are moving toward the lowest one. So they started from 25, then 24, then 23. What comes before 23? 22. Very well done. Move toward the next row. Now in this again ascending order has been followed. So the numbers start from 46. What comes after 46? 47. Great. Then 48, 49, 50 and 51. Excellent. Then again ascending order, 8, 9 and 10. Very well done. Then 11, 12 and 13, right? Now move toward the last row. In the last row, again, descending order has been followed. If you look at the numbers which are already written for you, 18 is written on the left hand side and 14 on the right hand side. This means that the descending order has been followed, that they have started from the highest number and then moving toward the lowest one, right? So what comes before 18? 19. Very well done. Then 17, 16 and 15. Great. So see, you have practiced the missing numbers in both ways, either in ascending or descending, so you can easily recognize that, right? Now I want all of you to open your book, page number 40. There is this number square that you are supposed to fill. Book page number 40. When we will be doing this, we will end with this unit, and then inshallah from tomorrow's class onward, we will be starting with a new unit and some new interesting topics. Okay, so hurry up, open your books. This is page number 40. Hurry up. So all of you have opened it? Okay, great. Now look at the statement of the question. It says that help Aggie discover which numbers have been eaten by the snake. In the number square, some snakes are drawn for you and these snakes have eaten some numbers from that, okay? So what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to help the Aggie find what numbers have been eaten by the snakes. Here is the Aggie and you are supposed to help find the missing numbers. So let's start from there. 1, 2, and what comes after 2 or what comes in between 2 and 4? It's number 3. Great. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. Then which number will come over there? 8. Great. Then 9. Okay, tell me, does this look similar to something else? Have you seen a page like this somewhere and the snakes as well? And very well done. In the Ludo, right? Yes, we have the similar type of game on the back side of Ludo usually, right? Or maybe the Ludos have been changed now, but in the previous Ludos, there was the snake game on the back side. And this is very much similar to that, right? Okay. Then 11, 12, 13. Now there are a lot of numbers which are missing. First, see how many numbers are missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are missing. So now count 14, 15, 16 and 17, right? Okay. What comes after 18? The two numbers, 19 and 20. Very well done. Then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, then 27, 28, 29, and finally 30. Now I want you guys to fill the three next rows by yourself and then we will be doing the next together, right? So we are done with 30. So this means that you will start from 31 and you will end till 60. And then let me know if you are done, okay? Done? Okay, who is going to tell me what will come in the blanks? What are the numbers in the first three blanks? 31, 32, 33. Great. What are the numbers in the next blanks? 35, 36. Excellent. What are the numbers in the next blank? Who is going to tell me? Yes, Elise. 38, 39. Great. Okay. Let's move toward the next row. Yes, Ahmed, you tell me what are the three numbers missing between 41 and 45? 42, 43, and 44. Great. Okay. Yes, Vase, you tell me what are the next two numbers? 46 and 47. Very well done. What comes after 48? 49 and 50. Let's move toward the next row. Yes, Sarah, you tell me the numbers missing in this row. 51, 53, 54, 55, 57, 58, and 60. Very well done. Okay. Who is going to tell me the missing numbers in the next row? Yes. Okay, yes, Ali, you tell me. 61, 62, 65. Good. 67, 68, 69, and 70. Excellent. Okay. Yes, Aliza, you tell me for the next row. 71, 73, 74, 75, 76 is already there. Yes. Then 77, 78, finally 79. Okay. Yes, Sarah, you tell me for the next one. 83, 84, 86, 88, 89, and 90. Okay, let's do the last one together. 91, 92, 93 is already there. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 is again there. 99 and 100. Great. So see, in this one topic, in this one practice, we have revised how many things together? We have revised the counting from 1 to 100. We have done missing numbers as well, right? And we have also practiced what come before or what come after or what come in between, right? Okay, great. So before ending the class, I'm going to share the screen again with you. There is this small activity, the small practice relating to this that we will be doing together. Okay. Okay. Show me a thumbs up if the screen is visible to you. Is it visible? Okay, great. Now look at the picture. There is a small rabbit and the rabbit wants to eat the carrot, right? Now some of the numbers are missing in this and you are supposed to help rabbit find those missing numbers in order to reach to the carrot. Okay, so let's start. Okay, who is going to tell me what comes before 2? 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 10. So rabbit has finally reached the carrot, right? So now it can easily eat it and it will be very happy. So class, that was all for today. What we have done, we have learned about the missing numbers, how we can find the missing numbers, and we have also practiced what comes in between, before, and after different numbers, right? So that was all. We will be seeing you in the next class. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.